Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Carbonated European Hot Chocolate Pineapple Coconut. First thing you gotta do is you open up this hot chocolate mix. This is European, and you pour it some into this tall cup. Then after that, you add in the water. And after that, you add in the milk. Then after that, you add in the sparkling water. This is actually Carbonated European Milky Hot Chocolate Pineapple Coconut. That's what I meant, folks. Pour in the water. Tastes pretty good. And here is your Carbonated European Milky Hot Chocolate Pineapple Coconut. Enjoy it, folks, and have a great evening. Peace.